You flew away. Come back.
Come back. Nay.
Down. Silly bird, come here. Come here. Good girl. Come here. Silly girl. This is May May. She's doing much better after her accident. See? Look, hardly a scar on her face. Good job, May May. She's very well behaved. Come on, show 'em how well behaved she was. Like the camera? You like the camera? Like the camera? You don't really do. Love you. Love you. Where's he going? She's such a good girl. Such a good girl. You a good girl? Come on, whistle for the camera, honey. Oh, the one time you won't whistle, you're camera shy, aren't you? Show 'em you can wolf whistle. That's not a wolf whistle. That's not a wolf whistle. Show 'em a wolf whistle. Come on. Stop being silly. Stop being silly. I'll ignore you. I'll ignore you if you don't wolf whistle. You're being rude. My friends want to see you wolf whistle. They want to see you okay and whistling. You're not even making a noise. What kind of bird doesn't make a noise? Huh? Close, you got the first half. No, that's not it. No, bad. Huh? Good girl. That's exactly what they wanted to hear. Show them again. Can you do it? Good girl. That's exactly what I wanted from you. You're a good girl. Want to shake? Want to shake? Shake paws? Shake paws with me? No, don't pop up. Shake paws. Shake paws. Good girl. Good girl. That's a good girl. Nice to meet you, May May. I hope you're having a good day.